Welcome to Prime Review. Today I have the app for cut the Mp3 to make the ringtone as you want. This app is called Mp3 Cutter. It is free for now for about 1 week, so hurry up guys. So the interface of the app will be in the vertical position. You can click select audio file here. Although this app is a pro version, so it will be no ads. So let's say I want to use the song like the cannot in D piano cover here. You click the cannot in D, it will play the piano for you. If you okay here, you can click the scissor here. It has the option of the rapid cut and cut with the details interface. Let's see with the details interface first. It will have the 2D graphic of the music. Normally the cutting of the MP3 you will select in the gap between the mountain here. So let's see, we click this and we play it. If you're okay with it, you can click save by clicking the upper right button here. Save as ringtone, Canon Indie, and you click save. You can make the default ringtone or assign to any contact, but you have to allow the access contact first. Let's say I make the default ringtone here. So I have to assign it by granting the right system setting permission here. Okay. Now I will reassign it again as a default ringtone. Okay, the default ringtone is success. Now you can have Canon Indie as your default ringtone here. Easy as that and no ads. So hurry up guys, this app won't be long. So thank you guys for watching and please subscribe if you found this video was informative. See you later guys. Bye.